Hey, I learned something really interesting this past week. I was visiting and doing demos for different ATS or applicant tracking systems, hiring platforms, and what I wanted to find out is exactly the experience that people who are the recruiters have when they're evaluating your resume. And so I'm doing demos with different companies, and I learned something fascinating. As I'm looking at what a company sees, they get an application from you, they open up your resume, and on the screen is your photo. And I said, how do you get that photo? And they say, oh, our system automatically links to your LinkedIn profile and it pops your photo up here. So while we're reading your resume, we can see what you look like. And with a click of a button, we can go and actually look at your LinkedIn profile. I thought that was very interesting because we don't often understand the integration of all the different platforms. It showcases, number one, why LinkedIn is so critical to your career success. If you don't have a powerfully well-built, current, and updated LinkedIn profile, you're losing out because recruiters are going to automatically see it. Your LinkedIn profile must exactly match your resume because they'll be able to see any consistencies right there when they look at their resume and they look at your LinkedIn page side by side. And your photo is critically important to the recruiter. We know that we should never put your resume, your photo on a resume for discrimination reasons. We don't want people to discriminate because of age, but the platform builds your photo right in there so they can see your gender, they can see your ethnicity, they can see your age. So it's really, really, really critical that your photo be a professional studio photo that's exactly the way you want it to look, with the exact same content. So invest $25, $50 in a digital photo. Go to any of the leading photo studios and say that you want a commercial or resume photo only in a digital format. You don't want the whole package of wallets and all the prints. You just want a digital photo. Get a good studio portrait, well lit, in a suit and a tie, looking as professional as you can. Make sure that that photo is on your LinkedIn page because it's going to be seen across these multiple platforms. Really, really, really crucial that you pay attention to this because this was new learning for me to see how the system automatically integrated across LinkedIn with the job applicant system and with your photo. So do me a favor, make sure your LinkedIn page is perfect, make sure your resume is perfect, and make sure your photo is perfect the way that you want a recruiter to see you. By the way, I would love to let you know about a brand new program that I am launching. It is an online course to teach you how to build a powerful resume. It's a system that I've perfected. It's unique to what I'm doing, and it allows you to build a resume that will get seen by a recruiter, and everything that needs to be done is seen in 7 seconds because that's how much time a recruiter is going to spend looking at your resume before tossing it out. Plus, I found that it's very important that all your keywords, everything you want is in the top half of the first page of your resume, so it can easily be seen in that 7-second scan. And you really have to know how to build the keywords for your resume that are going to be found by the computer because they go through and they'll put, I watched the demo, they'll open up a job search, they'll look at a whole bunch of resumes. They'll say, everybody who's applied for the job, I want to see the word sales, and the word sales will show up in all these different resumes and they can look at them. They'll say product management, so they can keyword search. Let's say they have 100 different resumes. They're going to keyword search what they want, and all the resumes with those keywords are going to pop up. A lot of them will already have been just kicked out by the computer. But it's really, really important that you understand how this technology is helping you. I want to offer you a free resume building cheat sheet, which will teach you the 6 key sections of your resume and what they need to look like. So go to www.resumebuildercheatsheet.com. I'll put the link right here, and you can get this free download of my secret guide to how you can build a resume that gets seen in 7 seconds or less, viewed, seen, and so you can be selected. So please take my free offer, learn about what you need to know to get your resume seen, because it's not easy, because the computers are going to kick you out, or they can showcase you depending on how you build that effective resume. This has been Diane Huth, the Accidental Career Coach, with another simple secret to career success. By the way, please subscribe to my page. If you're on here right now, click the subscribe button, because I try and send you a new video inside at least 3 to 5 times a week, every day if I can get around to it, and I'll try and post more often. But again, please, resumebuildercheatsheet.com, free gift, your resume cheat sheet that teaches you the hiring funnel and what your resume needs to look like. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.